pie. Mmm, delicious. Very good, Annie. It's yummy. You can bake some beautiful pies.
After the carrot, pie is done, then we can have some apple pie.
Oh, yummy. That would be delicious.
Are you guys all done?
Yes, it was delicious.
Yes, thank you very much. I'm full.
Okay, now I make some apple pie. Okay.
Will you call Brett and Papa too?
Yeah.
Why don't you invite them over for some pie?
I didn't wait.
But invite them over for pie.
I told them why they can come to my. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
You want to call Aunt Mary and invite her over?
Yeah. Hi, Amelia. We're going back to our later. Okay, bye. Oh, that's it.